Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing my first ever bill swap. I'm going to go ahead and start out with the money that I need to deposit, which is coming from, oh, it's actually this binder here. It's coming from my debt envelope, so I need to make that payment. So let's go ahead and count what we have here. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 650, 700, 720, and 740. So we have 740 that we need to deposit, and I'm gonna go ahead and just write that number down to the side. That way I just know that at the end of this, I should have 740 in my pile to deposit. So what we're going to be doing today is counting our sinking funds, and I'm going to be writing it in my little notebook here and just updating balances off to the side. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm going to start with my clear binder like I usually do. So let me put my rose gold binder back to the side, and we are going to go ahead and just jump right in. So starting out with wish list. So wish list has 100, 200, 250, 300, 320, 340, 360, 370. So 370 in wish list. And we can do another $100 bill, 20, 40, 60, 70. And then two 20s and a 10 for a 50. I hope I didn't just confuse myself. Let's recount that. So 370 is what we should still have. Yeah, I think that's right. So 1, 2, 3, 350, and 370. Right? Yes. Sorry guys, I just have to make sure these bills are all facing the same way or else it drives me nuts. So that's 370 in wish list. And I apologize, you guys, this is my first condensing, swapping bills video, so if it's all over the place, then that is why. Next, we've got adventures, and adventures has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. $99 in adventures. And let's see, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. So I'm just gonna put, okay, 20, 40, 50, and then we'll take a 50, and then, so this is for 20, and that should be good. So let's double count this. Should be 99, 50, 70, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. That is correct. So $99 in adventures. All right, up next is travel, and I do believe travel can get a $100 bill. Let's see. 100, 200, 300, 350, 370, 390, 410, 420, 425. So let's see. So that's 15, 20, 40, 60, here, right? 50, 70, 90, 100. So it's 50, 50, and 100. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, and 425. That was 425 in travel. All right, next up is Christmas, and Christmas has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 750, 800, 820, 840, 860, 870, 880. So we have 880 in Christmas, 10, 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay, let's take care of these 50s first. We can take a $100 bill, and then 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. So I'm just gonna put this 80 down and then do 50, 70, and then 80. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 50, 70, 80. There we go. 880. And that is it. I'm not gonna condense subscriptions because that's just gonna be used this month anyways. All right, so moving on to clothing. I don't think clothing can be condensed. Let's see. 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67. So do I want to condense this? Why not? So we'll take the 65 and do 50, 60, and 5. So this is still 67. All right, up next we have holidays. And holidays have 50, 70, 90, 100, 110, 115, 120. So 20, 40, 50, that's 100, and then 20. So let's 50, yep, 70, 90, 100, and we'll take 100, and then this is 20, so 10, 15, and 20. So 120 in holidays. All right, next we've got home, and home has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100. So that's 100 in home. And I'm actually just going to take all of this and put a $100 bill in here. All right, up next is beauty, and beauty has 50, 70, 90, 110, 115, 120, 125, 126, 127. So 127 in beauty, 20. So this should be 100, 50, 70, 90, 95, 100. And that's our last $100 bill. I don't think, no, gifts won't need a $100 bill. So we have 100, 120, 125, 126, 127. Perfect. And let's just see what we have in gifts. Gifts has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. So 74 in gifts. Let's see. So let's just do, I'm just going to put all of this down. And this was 70, so we're just going to do a 50 and a 20. So it should still be 74. Yes, it is. So 74 in gifts and spending. Let's count spending. I don't know if I want to condense this or not. We've got 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 190, 190, 192, 93, 94. So let's do 60. Yeah, let's 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. So let's just put this down and take 90. So that's going to be 50, 70, 90. So this should still be 194. 100, 150, 170, 190, 91, 92, 93, 94. 194 in spending. All right, and then rollover funds. 50, 100, 110, 115, 116, 117. So I don't have another $100 bill to swap this out for, so I'm just gonna leave this as is. And let's go ahead and count what we have here to make sure that we are still depositing our $740. So we have 50, 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 470, 490, 510, 530, 550, 570, 590, 610, 620, 630, 640, 650, 660, 670, 680, 690, 695, 700, 705, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Perfect. So we have $740 going back to the bank, and our envelopes are all nice and condensed. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed my first bill condensing / bill swap video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.